What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from Busch Gardens Tampa. I know, just 2 days after we were here for Beer Fest and an RMC Gwazi construction update. Well, RMC Gwazi has some exciting new developments. We're hearing track has been placed onto the structure. Let's go check it out. If you've ever been interested in being a scare actor, well, now is a great time to join the team here at Howl Scream. Apply online or in person. Literally, I was the only person on the tram, only one to go through security, and only one to go through the ticket turnstiles. So yeah, not too busy here right now. We're on our way. Since not a lot is happening with the structure itself, I'm not really going to waste your guys' time showing off all this because, well, nothing's really changed. Yep, that's right. Can't have a Midway Mayhem video from Busch Gardens without having some pink chickens. And here we can see Lori Landing is currently closed, probably for a renovation, refurbishment, something like that. But work walls line it, and there's a sign out front. Inside, everything looks to be just about the same. I'm not seeing anything different.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. He's like, it was beautiful where we were, but for 3 years.
Do you have a choice?
No, that's where you get stationed, where they need you, more or less.
Yep. She got stationed in Offutt in Nebraska, so every weekend she came home because it's right there. So then I thought, okay, I can do that because I had never been away from home. So I thought, I can do that. So I put that down as my #1 on my dream sheet. And I put.
Well guys, that's going to do it for yet another video here from Busch Gardens Tampa for RMC Gwazi construction, and I am very happy to say we have confirmed that very first pieces of track are now onto the structure. Hopefully we're going to get a lot more in the next coming weeks. We're going to have a lot more updates also, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.